One of the reasons I wanted to do this bedside table over too was to practice my stencils. This stencil I made myself. It's a silkscreen stencil, and this is the video on it, and again I'll put a link to that video just there where the arrow is. I really suggest, if you've got a Cricut or something, a Cameo, try it out if you haven't already, because they make really great stencils. They're easy to make and fun to make. They're original. You can make your own design. They're washable. Yeah, they're just really good. I really love them, and what I do is I stencil on all the front of each of the 3 drawers, and I stencil inside the drawers. So when you pull the drawer out, you'll be able to see the pretty stencil design on the drawers there too. Hey guys, it's Danny back again from our humble home, and in today's video I'll be doing a silkscreen stencil using Cricut heat transfer vinyl, something I've always wanted to do, so I thought I may as well, since I've done 3 other stencil type videos previously, and I'll put links to all of those in this video if you want to check them out.